Hey, YouTube tags. Listen up. I'm going to break it down one time and you're not going to want to miss this because it's going to help you drive more views. See, the thing is it's 2020. It's no longer 1999. Remember that year when Prince dropped 1990? YouTube tags. Can they help you get views? Kind of. Let's discuss.
Brian G. Johnson.
Brian G here, and to grow on YouTube, stake your claim and amplify your message. Do that by subscribing, and if you really want to grow your channel and fast, check out my free YouTube Masterclass, link in the description. Here's the scoop. YouTube tags are kind of depreciated. The value of YouTube tags in the YouTube algorithm is very, very low. However, as YouTubers, it can be kind of confusing, right? Because you make a So I was saying about the algorithm, yes, the bottom line is this: the amount of value that the YouTube algorithm places on tags is very, very low. Think about the viewers. When a viewer, I was saying, think about the viewers. Think about what they want from a video. Do viewers really care about YouTube tags? No way. They want to watch a fun, engaging, entertaining video. Even if you're doing how-to information, being entertaining is really helpful. And that's the thing you want to focus on. You want to create a highly engaging, watchable video. But there are some things you can do that kind of relate to tags, namely YouTube keyword phrases. That is the stuff people search for when they're trying to identify a video they want to watch. What you can do as a YouTuber is the more you can understand YouTube search, the more you can really build videos around search terms. And I gotta tell you, I have gained 100,000 subscribers based on search, which got me into suggested, which led to browse, which this is the pathway you want to take as a YouTuber. You really want to understand the keyword phrases. And you see, sadly, that's the mistake that so many YouTubers make. They don't really understand how to take advantage of YouTube keyword phrases. The good news is I've created probably the best video on search optimization, understanding keywords, and how to maximize channel views by leveraging keywords. Check out that video, it's on the screen right now, and when you watch, check this out. When you watch, you're gonna feed a poodle. I've got 2 poodles and they're hungry. You dig?